Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris with WooCurve, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a little more behind the scenes of the next version of Handsome Checkout. So I'm going to dive right into that, and this will look very familiar to those of you who are using Handsome Checkout. So here's the plugin over here on the left, and by and large, there's not a ton that's changing in terms of just the way it functions, but there are a couple new things that I want to point out. So the first thing you'll notice is we are giving you more detail on what we recommend for the image size of a product. That was a request that came in. Before it was like kind of trial and error, and so we're just trying to make that a little easier for you, save you a little bit of time. The order bump is still here. Nothing's really changed that much or at all with the order bump, so it can still enable or disable right from the menu here. Here is the new two-step template that we demoed in another video. And this is actually the big thing I want to show you. In the current version of Handsome Checkout, this first and last name field, or this option, doesn't exist. So you just got billing all the way through coupon box. And what that means is if you're somebody who sells like a digital product, you don't necessarily have to capture the billing address when the billing, and obviously not the shipping address, when you're selling your product, especially if it's, like I said, digital or direct download. And so you can actually remove an extra step, remove extra friction in your checkout process by just capturing first, last name. Email address is always going to be there to be captured. So we added this option. Now, of course, if you want to capture the billing address, then you would check both of these. And if you wanted to offer a shipping address, then you would check this one. And when this is enabled, there's also going to be one of those little check boxes that customers can check if the billing and shipping address is the same. And then everything else is kind of the same here. But just I wanted to point this out because this was something that folks were requesting, because we do have quite a number of customers who they don't have to capture the billing address. So this option is now available for you. And let's see here, Marketplace. Oh yeah, okay, this is another one I wanted to point out. So Marketplace logo, again, we're recommending the size that your Marketplace logo should be. And this would be like the logo at the very top of the checkout page. Product image is the image of your product that's more embedded in the checkout page. The logo is what goes at the top, and it's like the brand for the whole page. So so recommending the product, or not the product, recommending the size of the image. But then right here, we're giving you the option for alignment. So this actually was, a lot of you wanted to have your images centered. And so now we're giving you the option of left, center, and right without having to go into the CSS code or anything like that. So this is another highly requested feature. Just every step of the way, we're wanting to make incremental improvements to make this easier and easier for you to get your checkout pages launched and live and out there, so you can start testing whatever you need to test with your market, and yeah, just trying to make this as simple as possible. I think everything is pretty much the same. Those are the two big ones I wanted to point out. Again, this is new. We're recommending a size for the image the testimonial image there. Having trouble talking today, and yeah, so as you can see, new template, some new options here on alignment of the Marketplace logo. We're recommending image sizes, and the order bump still there. That's one of our most requested features, and that's not going away ever. I think it's pretty awesome. So, all right, that's it for today. I've got some other things I want to share with you. Specifically, I want to talk about a new marketing technique that this two-step template introduces that you may not be aware of. So I'll cover that in another video. Until then, we're wishing you a ton of success, and we'll talk soon.